Hello, welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to show you some of the parts that arrived from scootfast. I got the new M7 copper nuts. They are a lot lighter than the stock ones. I got this. It's a switch to open the water pump, but the degrees are not correct. I'll need to find another one with lower degrees, but this is nice. New gaskets. Also got the order from Malossi. The gear cover. The gear cover will now be 12 millimeters instead of 16. So for the center axle, this will save 22 grams on the gears. I'll just need to figure out the new bearing for in the RC1, but that's gonna be nice. Also, I like the malossi one better because it's not black. It's like a kind of casted aluminum. Very nice. New brake shoe. And today I de-anodized the exhaust. So, and put all the titanium bolts in it. So, here. I cleaned it up and the silencer was black, and I de-anodized it. It came out nice. The logo is still visible. And oh, and this is also nice. A friend, Domin, made the brake shoe. This used to be steel. He made it in aluminum, and we made splines in it. And it's much lighter. I saved almost 70 grams on this part, and also this part is also aluminum now. I also got the ceramic bearings from TPI most. They're also lighter. I'll save 22 grams on the bearings. The weight of the balls of ceramic is lighter. And I got the spacer to put on the reeds. So for here, to put here, so the reeds get a little bit more room. And I got the PTFE seals, spark plug 105. What else? That's about it. I got a new spring for my suspension, so this spring will get replaced because it's already a bit dirty, and it's also gonna be stronger spring. See, because now I have to set it to maximum, but this spring will be stronger, so that way I can have more adjustment on the springs. And later on I'm gonna get the back spring too, because this one is well, this one, the paint is gone on some parts, and the frame is out to powder coat. Should be done in 2 weeks. And then, well, yeah, that's about it. Today was doing the exhaust. I will put up pictures in the album. I saved around 30 grams, I think, on the bolts. This brake handle is just a prototype to test if we can make splines in the aluminum. We used this piece. This is steel, and then we hardened it, and then we pressed it into the aluminum. Yeah. Okay, well, thanks for watching. See you later, guys.